Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video 24 ways to make money with first e-commerce sales without stepping stones. As in online merchandise marketing, your first sale in some balls is naturally complete. The lead first sales sound straightforward and draw your yet opener and resource experience can make biggest turning point. The left your business hours don't your simple trend. First sales mislead your optimize in first customer sometime be along around better to make the better easy with fins below are your 24 source your first way make money first e-commerce sales without stepping stones. First, send a free samples in information. The internet package with influential bloggers, juniors, interpret and bloggers from fit range increase and niche pages needed and fund right ones. Many have in large followers in social media and royal audience website stripping free samples your product in factory with industries of related to some ways give and optimize and tools let now in your openness this work with small gift will get monitor in the first site platforms. This can result in spark and traffic and social media followers, but you can also have seal approved industry experts, a useful resource in regarding increase a nil part defense guides increase trying with tells everything you are needed now and about getting your brand under revamp improvement notes. Second, start blogging. If you already running a blog with your store and product when miss out in out limited promotional content marketing by product fees and value content will create trust in your brand and keep people informed. Blogging also give content and share social grain in search engine to get starting thing in all starting point quick people you have about product and industry use your great blog answer in the question individual articles. For example, visitor this my blog and demonstrate learning about e-commerce and drop shipping so the graded content and ranking for terms like how to sell online and how to drop shippers. Additionally, and you can your blog offer tutorial and resource related your product and lifestyles around your product. If you can create epic content regular basic your bank and see power content marketing with social media share and sharing engine all cover our guide and content marketing. Third, building an email list. Building up to email a post is easily first sale and don't your cost you have training According emails advance rose $42 per and $1 spending no tools service building your email list hours and cost very letters. Having a list emails provides and potential customer means you can information product and content into these personal makes books and content updates made your first Facebook and Twitter handles will also almost never reach your instant following due to time zone and difference and social media. Starting building email include email subscription for website this and covers constant visitor sign up in this simply selling our news and some type value shipping and scan offer changing will free product week ensure offering e-commerce people joining if you some needed advance in get started their perfect banner guide email marketing for sponsor and in-person visitor event. First include event sponsor search event attendant likely to be interest in product fund how main customer will advance the starting from the base cost award speeding and cover market setup tablet partner and customer attention your needed created relationship demonstrate some internship product he tips and help maximize return with sponsorship event 5 interviews industry in fact remember improvement content marketing is it a topic interviews basic win 6 polls standards if you went to polling and runs content track the beauty ads and speed message reach minute can set up launch and advertisement cost at test limit images our video ads in browser hours with the web using an AdWord campaigns option and you can create a targets ad which targets display ads also approve website articles responses similar keyboard trailing and send product owners in different tracks and ways to share load others 9 sale wholesale and other related like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update thanks for watching